Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
ENACT. ENACT means make bill or other proposal law. For example, legislation was enacted in 1987 to attract international companies. Legislation was enacted in 1987 to attract international companies.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Several judges have thrown out democratically enacted term limits. Now, repeat after me. Several judges have thrown out democratically enacted term limits. The second exempli. The legislative framework, under the 1992 legislation as originally enacted. Now, repeat after me. The legislative framework, under the 1992 legislation as originally enacted. The third exempli. They serve to impose what could never be legislatively enacted. Now, repeat after me. They serve to impose what could never be legislatively enacted.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.